everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Club. How are you all doing? I just wish everyone is fine. As you all know, we always discuss amazing project in which you can invest and get great profit. So today in this video, we are going to discuss another great project. So let's begin and move to the website to know more about the project. But before this, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notifications. Okay guys, so today in this video we'll be talking about Jessie Agent. Here we are to the website of the project. This is the world's first AI agent integration, real life applications with decentralized intelligence, incubated by Synthelix and powered by NVIDIA Chart RTX. So as soon as you are going to get the website link in my description. So this is the first AI agent built for real world autonomy, powered by the advanced architecture of Agentic OS, where Agentic OS meets applied intelligence. Jessie is the next generation AI agent designed to operate seamlessly within the real world. So here we can see that we are going to get their community link here, so you can join their community if you have any type of inquiry, if you have any type of question, so you can ask to their team by joining their Telegram group. You should stay in touch with their team as well. And here we have the dashboard as well, so you can create new assets to, you can get latest model, they train new model, auto to text to audio. You can do everything here. So you can see here that they have the dashboard as well. And then here we can going to get incubated by Synthelix, powered by NVIDIA AI. And this is the Agentic OS, the engine behind Jessie. The secret of Jessie is powerless with an Agentic OS, a purpose-built infrastructure of autonomous AI agent execution. So as soon as we are going to get some of the details here, Agentic intelligence built for independence, designed for impact. It is hyper autonomous AI execution. Jessie performs the real task without hand holding. So basically, Jessie is not just a chatbot, it's an AI powered platform that performs real tasks, providing real value. From trading analysis to mental well-being tools, Jessie seamlessly integrates into everyday life and business operations as well. Core intelligence, decentralized and secure execution layer, autonomous actions as well. Okay, let's come how does it works. Getting started with Jessie, your real-world AI agent powered by Agentic OS. So first you should activate your Jessie AI agent. You can sign up and link your Jessie profile with your preferred tool and platform. Jessie integrates instantly into your digital environment. Then you have to define your objectives. Select domains you want to Jessie to operate in: trading, productivity, wellness, or creativity. Jessie will tailor its behavior to your need, and then let Jessie take over. So Jessie begins autonomous execution by using Agentic OS, learning from your environment, adopting your workflow, and delivering your outcome as well. So here we have the social channel of their Twitter page. You should definitely follow them on Twitter to check the recent tweets, recent details of the Jessie project. Here we are going to get some of their recent tweets, recent details of Jessie, introducing Jessie, the first AI operating system. Everything is mentioned here, so it's better to join their social channel. You should definitely follow them on Twitter to be able to stay in touch with their details of their recent tweets, recent detail as well. And here we have the Jessie complete operational 10x2, powering the autonomous future AI built on Agentic OS. So we can see here that we have the details of this. From intelligence to action, join the Agentic revolution as well. And here we have the white paper of this. Despite the exponential rise of AI and Web3 technologies, a fundamental gap remains between data, intelligence, and real-world execution. So this is a page of their white paper, so you can definitely check the white paper, their key advantages of Synthelix Dappling model, how does it works. Synthelix operation on deepened first architecture, while our products and services are powered by decentralized physical infrastructure layer. So you can check the details of this project on white paper. Okay, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notifications bell. Thank you so much for watching.